The Gauhati High Court has stayed the observations of the Barpeta Sessions Court in Jignesh Mevani bail order. The Gauhati High Court noted that the observations were made without there being any materials on record, on the basis of which the learned judge could have made such observations, and consequently, the court decides to stay the observations until further orders. The Gauhati High Court also noted that the findings of the Sessions Judge in the impunged order to the effect that the testimony of the victim shows that the case has been manufactured for the purpose of keeping the accused Jignesh Mevani for a longer period, abusing the process of the court and the law are also prima facie beyond the exercise of the jurisdiction of the Sessions Court in a proceeding under Section 439 of CRPC, and accordingly, the said observation is also stayed. And meanwhile, a court in Barpeta granted bail to Gujarat MLA Mevani on Friday as the judge pulled up the state police for allegedly filing a false FIR against the leader and requested the Gauhati High Court to stop cops from turning Assam into a police state. The Assam police had today challenged the Barpeta District Court's observations against it in the Jignesh Mevani bail order.
The Honorable Court, after perusal of all the records placed before the Honorable Court and also after hearing on behalf of the state of Assam, was come to the conclusion that the district and session judge has passed those observations and remarks without there being any materials before him. And he has traversed beyond his jurisdiction to pass those observations. And therefore, the Honorable Gauhati High Court was pleased to stay all the observations made by the district and session judge, which is quoted in the Honorable Gauhati High Court's order today, and further directed that the IO or the state police can move a different application through the public prosecutor of Assam before the Honorable High Court regarding whether the bail application or the bail granted to Jignesh Mevani should be cancelled or not, or what will be the fate of the investigation which is going on. While admitting the appeal, the revision petition today, the Honorable High Court was pleased to issue notice to Jignesh Mevani, directed the state of Assam to serve notice to him through proper and regular processes. Apart from that, considering the importance and sensitivity of the case, the Honorable Court has allowed the state of Assam to serve dusty service on Jignesh Mevani so that on the next date he can appear or through his either personally or through his lawyer on 27th of March when the further hearing will be taking place. Today's order is very significant because the Honorable Gauhati High Court made a categorical observation that all the observations made by the district and session judge were beyond his jurisdiction, number one, and without any materials on record, he passed those observations.